Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 3rd, and this is my PM market close video. We're going to take a quick look at the pound US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you would like to join my free Discord channel, then check out the link at the end of this video down here. If you would like to check out my membership program, which is only $30 a month, to get you access to all the benefits listed below, check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the pound dollar did go up today. It did fill that big gap that we made from the market open. Now, this definitely does look like a possible end of a correction. It looks like five waves down. It looks like three waves up. This is probably a five waves down. There's a pretty good chance this right here is the ABC complete pattern, 61% Fibonacci bounce. I still think there's a good chance that this move up right here is probably the A or the 1. If it really is a correction, it might actually be a W, but either way, this three waves down is actually three waves of B or three waves of 2, and we're probably either in a wave C or wave 3. If it really is a wave C, then it'll probably go up around these highs and then turn back down. If it's a wave 3, then it'll break those highs, probably pull back and continue the higher time frame uptrend for a wave 3. So right now we just need to pay attention to see whether we're looking at a wave C or a wave 3, which there definitely is a difference if you know how to tell the difference. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.